Field installation is the final delivery of value to a project owner. For self-performing contractors, field safety, quality, and productivity are among their biggest risks. The ability to scale an effective field workforce is also one of the biggest competitive differentiators between contractors. There is typically a 2x productivity difference between the fastest 25% of the field workforce and the slowest 25%. We have seen this gap to be relatively consistent when measured across different contractors, trades, and experience levels. This productivity gap isn't even the biggest factor impacting your field productivity. With the right conditions, the majority of the slowest 25% were able to install at production rates meeting or exceeding the labor units used in estimates. Many of the differences between the fastest and the slowest are simple tips and tricks that can be trained. Improving field productivity requires a comprehensive approach involving the project teams, support functions, and senior leadership. Involve your whole team in a workshop tailored for your company. Learn principles of productivity from project start through project exit, including the ABCs of daily planning, the 4 elements of an effective task, and the 6 pillars of productivity. Gain insights from your team about the challenges they are experiencing through a series of group exercises. Develop a prioritized roadmap for improvement. Learn more and schedule a time to talk about your projects, team, and company at dbmteam.com.